Hey my boos, today I'm back with another video showing you guys how I install my natural looking quick weave. Now I've been getting a lot of compliments on this hairstyle, y'all. I've been out and about with it, rocking it, and people really think this is my hair.
Ooh, this is this audience is you right here?
Okay, so I'm going to be showing the girls how to go ahead and achieve this look. So if you're here for it, baby, stay tuned. You do not want to miss it. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I go ahead and achieve this look, because we serving real hair realness, a few edges, some curls for the girls. So let's go ahead and get into it, honey, okay? Stay tuned.
And another woman that can take your spotlight.
Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. First things first, I want to go ahead and apologize to you guys in advance because I didn't realize when I was recording, I was so close to the camera to where it actually cut off parts of the video that shows what I'm doing to my hair in its entirety. I'm still going to be able to back up enough to where you guys can still see a good visual of what I am doing. So if that's what you're worried about, child, I got you covered. Secondly, I want to go ahead and give a quick disclaimer that I will be doing quite a bit of talking throughout this video. I understand that doing quick weaves are pretty common these days, so most people know how to do them, but I just want to go over certain techniques and methods that I personally use, even though they may not be that different from other people's preference. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start off by separating your leave out from the part of your hair that you're going to be either braiding or molding down. I left about 1.5 to 2 inches around my perimeter for my leave out, but this is completely optional. It's just depending on how much of your hair that you want to leave out. And I'm just braiding it to get it out of the way for whenever I get ready to lay my stocking cap. And by the way, y'all, I know this has nothing to do with the video, and y'all probably didn't even notice, but whatever. If y'all see that little peach fuzz up under my arms, baby, y'all just mind y'all business, okay? I literally had just shaved like the other day, and once I started editing this video, I was like, girl, really? Like, I hadn't even noticed the darn hair until now. So don't focus on that. Just focus on the hair on top of my head, child, and we're going to be all good. Okay, so after I was finished with the front portion of my hair, I went ahead and got ready for the back. I was just separating my hair and just making sure that, you know, the parts weren't intertwined. Now, normally what I would do is braid my hair in really small braids in the back. That way my foundation would lay really flat and not be bulky. But on this particular day, I didn't feel like doing all of the extra. I just wanted to go with something that was going to be quick and effective and easy. So I just went ahead and braided the bottom part of my hair down into 2 braids. And I also recommend that you use some type of growing oil on your scalp, especially when your hair is in a protective style. That way you are promoting your hair growth. Okay, y'all, so after I'm done braiding my hair, I go ahead and spray my entire head with Pump It Up spray. Child, that's my old faithful. I've been using it for years, and that's pretty much what I use to mold my hair down with. Now, you can also use Got To Be spray if you want to go that route, or you can also use any other type of protectant product that you would like, just to make sure that your hair is protected under this style. So this is the method I was telling y'all that I use whenever I'm trying to just get my hair to lay really flat in the back. Now, granted, it will feel like it's bulky, but it's not going to be noticeable at all. So if that's what you're worried about, child, I got you. Now you see me here securing the ends of the braids with a bobby pin, and I normally just keep my bobby pins in, but you're free to go ahead and take them out after you actually mold your hair down. After you realize that it's not going to move, it should be fine, but I just keep mine in for that extra security even under my stocking cap, but that's just me. So I kind of went a little quick on this part right here, you guys. What I ended up doing was actually just putting the glue on the part that was separating my leave out from the back of my hair. So I went ahead and spritzed that down real good, blow dried it just to make sure that once I cut it, the cap isn't gonna move. It's gonna stay right in place. Afterwards, I start measuring the hair to see where I need to cut it, and I begin at the nape of my hair, obviously, and then I'm just gonna work my way all the way up until I get to the top. So you guys just watch. I'm gonna try to fast forward as much as possible so that you guys don't have to stay and look at the same or repetitive thing. And what I like to do for the extra security is spray my Pump It Up spritz before I lay my track, and then I go on top behind it and blow dry it for the extra security just to make sure that they're not gonna move. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what one full pack of hair looks like on me. And I actually was able to get these tracks in super close because I wanted my hair to be really full. And the name of this brand of hair is called Duvessa. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. You can find it at your local beauty supply. It's really good quality hair for a really good affordable price. I actually paid $59.99 for 2 packs of hair, y'all. So it's buy one get one free at the beauty supply that's closest to me. And I just love this hair. I've been using this hair for years. It's never failed me yet, child. I love it. So in this clip, I've already done pretty much worked my way all the way up to the top of my hair. So once I got like closest to like my temple area, I start laying the tracks horizontal. So I did that until I got all the way to the top of my hair. And what I'm doing here is just moving all of the hair out the way because I'm actually getting ready to go ahead and cut the stocking cap so that I can reveal my leave out. And y'all, please be careful whenever you're doing this part because I do not want you guys cutting your ear or your skin or anything. So please be careful. So next what I did was went ahead and took the braids out for my leave out, but you guys can actually wait to do this as a last minute step because I didn't realize how much it was going to actually get in my way, and I really ended up doing the front part of my hair last. So you can actually leave that part braided up until you finish curling your hair. So y'all, this is the part where I'm going to show you the curling technique that I use to get like that feathered look, especially for the parts that frame your face. I just love that real flowy, effortlessly looking curl. It's just something about it. I just love it. Now, normally what I do is cut my hair into layers just to have emphasis on the style because I do feel like when you cut it, it does give it more of, I don't know, it just pulls it together. It looks more polished. But this day, I decided to just go ahead and use the natural hair as length, and I still was able to achieve the look that I was going for. So it was a win-win. I love the turnout. So I'm pretty much going to go around my entire head, and I'm going to pull the hair away from my face. So I'm going to be pretty much curling it in a backwards motion to get this effect. So shout out to all my girls that know how to work them curling irons, child, because I have not used a curling iron in I cannot tell you how long, okay? And to me, when I did use one, it seemed as though it took so much more effort for me to get my curls to come out how I really desired them to look. So this flat iron really like does me justice, y'all. I got it from Walmart. It's been so long ago, I can't even think of the brand right off. But I love it. It's a ceramic flat iron and it gets the job done, okay? Listen, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this look so far, and just stay towards the end so y'all can get this finished look, honey. Y'all have to get the look. And just in case y'all were wondering, the quality of the video changed because I was originally recording off of my vlogging camera, which I hate how the quality came out, but it died. So I just went ahead and grabbed my phone and finished recording on there. But truth be told, I really wish that I would have just went ahead and used my phone camera to begin with, but I didn't know the quality would turn out that way. So I apologize for the quality of this video, y'all. I'm still learning the different settings and stuff like that, so it's gonna get better with time, trust me. I went ahead and cut the front pieces of my hair just so that it'll blend better with my own, because my real hair is actually cut into bangs. So obviously those pieces are going to be shorter than the rest of my hair. But I really could have added another piece of hair if I wanted to keep the length, just to make it fuller and filled it out. But I mean, to each his own, it's optional, depending on however your hair is. Okay, y'all, so this is it. How y'all feeling? What am I giving? Okay, look at the body, look at the volume, look at the shine, the bounce. Like, girl, it don't get no better. Like, y'all have to try this style if you haven't already. Okay, let me know down below what y'all think about this, because I feel like I'm serving a girl's classy woman, okay? Like, I'm ready to go to happy hour, child. I'm about to throw my pumps on and finna have a good time. I'm just ready to conquer the world, okay? So I really enjoyed making this video, y'all. I want to apologize for the quality of my video camera, my vlogging camera. I don't know what was going on. Okay, but if y'all stuck around this long and watched the video in its entirety, I appreciate you so much. Okay, this is my first tutorial, and I'm sure I'm going to be doing plenty more. So y'all just stay tuned, show your girl some love, and I'll